Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Here we are, Daytona Bikeweek 2024. Let's check it out. So here we are on the 1950 Triumph we've titled the Judge, heading out to Daytona Bikeweek 2024. We're gonna go check out a couple shows over here today. One show, old crusty choppers, cool biker bar called the Lowdown Hoedown. Gonna go check out some cool bikes there, and then we are gonna be heading up to Daytona and checking out our good friend Detroit Randy Hayward, his bike show, the Detroit Antique Motorcycle Show, sponsored by Harley Davidson. Should be a great time here in Daytona. The weather is beautiful, great day to ride cool old choppers. Let's go check out some other bikes while we're here. So here we are at the Lowdown Hoedown, and the Last Resort Bar is one of the notorious places in Daytona to have the cool chopper show. So here we are today, meeting a new friend. What's your name?
I'm Craig.
Craig, good to meet you, sir. And Craig is an artist. When I say artist, this guy is a painter, and not like motorcycle tanks and stuff like that. This guy actually does highbrow art. Love the stuff that he does. So tell us a little bit about what inspires you, what you do, how you do it.
I love old vintage bikes. I love choppers. I just fascinated by the builders and what they do with the parts and bring it in. It's like a work of art themselves. So I appreciate it so much. I want to put something on the wall. Maybe somebody will buy my piece and I can get some parts for my bike.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah.
That's kind of what we do in the community. It's like we help each other out. I might have some parts laying around that somebody else needs. And if I can see those things go into use, that's what it's all about. And sometimes it's you using your parts, which is your artwork, helps you fund your project. So that's pretty amazing. So out of all of your pieces of art, what would you say is your most favorite piece you've done?
I would say my Captain Knuckle over here.
Captain Knuckle?
Yeah, I did it about a year and a half, about a year ago.
And you were very much inspired by Easy Rider movie.
I mean, that's a standard form, right? But, you know, yeah.
But with a knucklehead.
Yeah, the knucklehead. Yeah, everyone says, yeah, Captain America, yeah, Captain Knuckle, because it's Captain America out of Japan.
Like, what's your process for doing your painting? Like, do you see something and inspires you, or do you take photographs and kind of base it off of those things?
Yeah, a lot of times I'll go to shows and I'll take pictures myself, and I'll draw the pictures I saw, or I'll get like an old old racer stuff like a la Man, and just get like a black and white and then just color that in. And yeah, some of the stuff is from shows that have been around here for Bike Week or Biketoberfest.
So you have a website, you sell all of your artwork, so everybody watching the video, they can actually go on and purchase some of your artwork, check out your stuff. So where do they find you at?
Right, at Out of Sight Moto Art.
Out of Sight Moto Art.
That's right.
Very cool.
Out of sight, man, out of sight.
And last question, how long have you been doing this?
About 7 or 8 years.
Really?
Yeah.
7 or 8 years, man. And I'd have to say, so I've done, you know, some David Mann replicas based off of his artwork, and it's always nice to find people who are inspired by two-wheel art, recreating it into their own ideas and their own platforms. So Craig, thank you for doing what you're doing. Thank you for being at the show today.
Yeah.
Everybody out there, make sure you go check him out. Go buy some artwork from him. Check out his website. Follow him on social media. All that stuff will be in the description below. But Craig, thank you.
Right on, man.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Let's enjoy this day.
Yeah, let's do it.
the judge on the road.
Yes, sir. You have a good one, my friend. So great time hanging out at the Lowdown Hoedown. A lot of cool old choppers. Exactly what I needed to start off our day here at Daytona Bikeweek 2024. We're heading up now to the Detroit Antique Motorcycle Show with my good friend Randy Hayward. You guys seen him in a lot of my shows. We're going up here to support him as he hosts his very first Daytona Dam Show. Let's go check him out. The Detroit Antique Motorcycle Show, Daytona, Florida, and JB,
I'm here.
1 week later, you now have no pre-race jitters. You're a post-race winner.
Yeah,
tell me how'd it go, man?
Hey, it went all right. You know, I wish, in my mind, I wish I could have done better, but you gotta trust the process. It's been fun. I was able, it was exciting to beat out Chuck in the heat race, and Chuck said, nah, you ain't gonna beat me in the main. So I came fourth in the main, but it's still all in fun, and it's pretty good, you know. Just now I'm just trying to figure out what's next. My main thing is gearing right now, and that's where I'm going now.
One racer at a time. You just got to pass one person at a time.
Yep, that's
so
it.
You did it, buddy. Hey, congratulations. We're going to go check out some other cool stuff here.
Yep.
George!